Okay, here's a great use for leftover paella. I recently thawed some paella that I froze after cooking a paella for some friends, and we heated it and ate half of it, and it was good, but the paella was a little pasty from being frozen. So I had the idea to form the rest into sliders or burgers and pan fry them. Tonight I'm making burgers for two, and I'm serving it with some other things, so they're actually, the size of these burgers is actually kind of somewhere between a slider and a burger. If you want to make sliders, make them smaller. If you want to make bigger burgers, make them bigger. Depends on how much paella you have too. Now, this particular paella has chicken, sausage, and shrimp in it, along with onions and some other some vegetables, which together with the chicken-stock-cooked-paella rice should make a tasty burger or slider with crispy rice on the outside. It's kind of like Italian arancini. All right, now we're going to put some olive oil into a fry pan and heat it up till we have just start to get whiffs of smoke. My kitchen is out of commission at the moment, so we are actually cooking on a butane burner that I've used in some other lessons. Okay, so we want to let that heat up until we're just starting to get whiffs of smoke out of the oil. Okay, we're just getting some whiffs of smoke, so we're going to put the burgers into the pan. We're going to sear them on both sides, then we're going to reduce the heat and let them cook a little bit. Okay, let's see how they're doing. We're going to flip them over. Getting a nice browning on that side. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now let's see how they're looking. Looking good on that side. Let them go a little bit longer. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce the heat and let them cook for a little while until they start to feel kind of firm, okay? And I don't know if you've noticed, but this looks just like a hamburger, and it's rice, okay? It has chicken and sausage in it, but the most of it is actually rice. It looks just like hamburger. It's amazing. We'll let that cook for a bit. Okay, now to plate, we're going to use these. We're going to use a hamburger bun. You could use slider buns. I'm using the Euro Classic brioche hamburger buns that they sell at fresh at Whole Foods, which I think are great. All right, now we're going to just plate one of these up. And you know, because these look like hamburgers, you might be tempted to think, oh, I got to cook it so it's not, you know, medium rare. But it's not a hamburger, it's rice, right? So you just want to make sure it's warm on the inside. Now, for a sauce, you can use anything you want, right? I'm going to use my Tonkatsu mustard sauce on half of it, and I'm going to use my traditional Tonkatsu sauce on the other half of it. And I'll report in the video which one I think is better. So that's it. That's the paella burger. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.